Hello everyone, it's Kana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where it's Milky My Way. I'm coming to you guys with an update about my locks. It has been a while since I've checked in with you guys. It's been a lot going on, but I am happy to keep you updated. I did keep tabs on what happened to my hair throughout the 2-month process as well as the 3-month process, so I will have a lot in store for you guys. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, let's get right into it. So I did not make an initial video about the 2-month mark. I did not see a lot of change going on. The only thing that I noticed was a lot of frizz and a lot of shrinkage. So my hair began to get shorter, minimal budding, but not enough to document. But I will also include videos below so that you guys can know what happened. But that's the reason why I decided to wait and just group the 2-month and 3-month update together. So moving along, I do have a lot to show about the 3-month mark. There was a lot of budding and more shrinkage. So I decided to put this style in my hair with the beads because I felt like it would add weight to the bottom of my locks to allow them to stretch out. I didn't want my locks to continue to shrink and be above my shoulders, so I felt that this was a good way to keep my hair from unraveling by doing the rope twist as well as add some weight to the bottom of my locks to stretch them out. So it was also a good protective style because I was running out of ideas on what to do with my hair. I wouldn't say that I was completely bored, but I was getting a little bored with my hair, so I decided to do something fun. I love them, and the beads were about $1.99 at the local beauty supply store, so they had a lot of colors, but I decided to go neutral with the tones just so it can match my hair and my skin tone. Regarding this hairstyle, I have had it in my hair for about 2 weeks. So my 3-month mark was about 2 weeks ago, so I will drop the links below and the pictures below of what my hair looked like after I washed it before I put this style in. And I may do a video on what it looks like when I take it down. I did wrap the ends of my locks because they're curly around this long piece here, so I may have to wet it. It may stick out like a sore thumb, but we'll see how it goes. And so far so good. Another thing I did notice about my hair along these 3 months, my scalp is extremely dry most of the time. So I have to continue to spray my hair with water and tea tree oil just to keep it moisturized. And I also started using Trinity Essentials Oil. It's extremely light and it smells like peppermint. And I promise you it leaves my hair scratch free. Like, I do not want to scratch it. It's moisturized and it feels good. I usually put it in right after I wash my hair. And also I usually about once a week. I don't like to over oil my hair to clog my pores. So I just continue to spray my hair, keep it moisturized, and then I add this oil just to keep my hair and my scalp relieved of itching and irritation. So swear by it. I will also drop this in the link below. Get you some. I love it. But all in all, in the 3-month mark, I'm starting to see my locks mature. They are starting to form together. They were unraveling a lot in the beginning, but since I did the rope twists and continue to keep weight on my hair, I'm seeing that it's starting to form better and it's locking more on the ends, which I love, but at the same time I wanted to keep my ends curly, so I have to keep going in and combing out the ends just to let them remain curly. And I would prefer my hair to lock in the middle and the roots, but I have to trust the process. It's gonna do what it's gonna do and I can't manipulate it too much, so I'm just gonna go with the flow and see where it takes me. I will come back to you guys after the 4-month mark and keep you updated. But so far so good. Stay with me, and if you would like to see more, stay tuned.